Part 6. Let's start to make today's part. First, open Solidworks. Open New Document. Select Sketch. Select one of your choice plane. I select top plane. And now click on Sketch. Now first of all we have to make this part at the diameter of 40. So select the centerline circle and create a circle at the center point. Now go to Smart Dimensions and give the value of 40. Now we want to extrude this part, but we do not have the value for this. If you notice that the total length is 150, 25 is for this part and 10 is for this part, and you will get 115. So go to Features and click on Extrude Boss Base command and give the value of 115. Silk OK. It is extruded. Now we want to chamfer the one side of this cylinder at the value of 3 into 45 degree. So let's come to this option and click on Chamfer. Select this side and give the value of 3 at 45 degree. Click OK. Now come again to the sketch. We want to make this part now. Add the diameter of 15 and extrude it up to 25. Select this face. Go to Sketch and select Sketch. Make it perpendicular. Now go to Circle and select Centerline Circle. Draw this circle at the center point. Go to Smart Dimensions and give the value of 15. Now go to Features and extrude it up to 25 like this. Look, how is it? Okay, so now select this face and make it perpendicular. Come to the sketch. See, now we want to make this part, which is extrude and chamfer at 10 into 45 degree. But the problem is that we do not have the value or diameter for this circle. So look, this outer large diameter is 80 and this diameter is 40. So 80 minus 40 is equal to 40. Now you see that there are two parts which blue and orange arrows is showing. So divided this 40 by 2, it is equal to 20. As you know that this is 40, so add 20 to this 40, it will be 60. So this diameter is 60. Now come again to the Circle command and select Circle and draw at the center point. Go to Smart Dimensions and give the value of 60. Now extrude it up to 10 by features. see it is extruded. But now we have to chamfer this portion, so go to Chamfer Command. And select this edge. Now give the value of 10 at 45 degree and click OK. Now it is looking good. Now we are going to make this portion at the diameter of 80 and also chamfer it up to 10 with 45 degree. So select this face and make it perpendicular. Now select sketch and go to circle and draw another circle at the center point. Now go to Smart Dimensions and give the value of 80. And again the process to go to Features and extrude it up to 10. Now chamfer it too, so go to Chamfer. So select this lower edge. And same the value of 10 at 45 degree as previous, click OK. See, our object is done 100%. Let me change its background to become attractive. And change its color whatever you like. I think it is good. So there are so many colors to choose. Thanks for watching. We are also working as freelancer sellers, so place your order now, link given in the description.